all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like our way. Didn't need a wall to build a new space. Every moment just came together like 2 feet hanging in the water. A few trees stood a little taller. New breeze feels so good. Can't help but remind me that it was a
Just more and more.
Yeah, but you got $1.
I only have 1 gig per day. So.
It's all different flavors.
Just film this.
My alcohol.
Cannot see.
Alcohol. Nerd.
I'm suffering, Ashley.
And hold the camera.
Alright girls, have fun.
Bye.
Squishes it.
No, bad.
Bully.
2 hours later.
Everything you do, it sends me higher than the moon with every twinkle in
I think this is like the big pool, right? And then that's the kids' pool. Jump inside. I mean, this is pretty good. We can just chill here if, you know, it rains.
Talk
Talk about our feelings.
Where's my song?
Yes. Very nice.
We're as different as can be. I've noticed you're remarkably relaxed and I'm overly uptight. We balance out each other nicely. You wear sandals in the snow.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Everything you do, it sends me higher.
Yeah, it'd be so cool if we could sit on that.
Every twinkle in your eye, you strike a match that lights my heart on fire. When you're near, I hide my blushing face and trip on my shoelaces. Grace just isn't my forte, but it brings me to my knees when you say hello. How are you, my darling? Today I fall into a pile on the floor. Puppy love is hard to ignore. When every little thing you do,
Food review. Okay, durian ice cream, is it worth it?
It
smells good? Yes, you're the only child, Ashley.
Relaxed and I'm overly uptight.
Okay.
We balance
Come on, let's go. Let's go to the float. Let's go check out the float.
Sandals in the snow in mid-July. I still feel cold. We're opposites in every way, but I can't resist it when you say hello. How are you, my darling? Today I fall into a pile on the floor.
Day 2.